Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to update your software on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, tap on my device. Now from here, just check if your smartphone has a software update available. Now as you can see, if you have a software update available, an update button will appear on the screen. Just tap on it. Now from here, tap on Reboot Now. Now from here, just wait a few minutes until the software update is done. Now as you can see, the smartphone has finished updating its software. Now from here, just open the smartphone. Now as you can see, we have successfully updated the software on our smartphone. And this is how you can update your software on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.